everybody. This time I'm going to teach you a new technique about stairs. See, if we want, we can keep dominoes here. The normal stairs we are going to build again. We are going to build them. This is called the back through technique. So here, instead of toppling from here, we are going to topple here through here. This is called the back through technique. So we are going to build them. And then now we are only going to build dominoes here. Now we are going to topple from back. Let's topple it. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Thank you.